PDF invoice to Excel, PDF invoice to Excel, PDF invoice to Excel. Tired of manually entering invoice data into Excel? Save time and effort with Lido.ai, the smartest way to convert PDF invoices into clean, structured Excel spreadsheets. In this video, you'll learn how to extract data from PDF invoices automatically. The best AI-powered tool, Lido.ai, for fast accurate conversion, how to eliminate errors, clean data with one click. Step-by-step guide to automate invoice processing in 2025. Whether you're a business owner, accountant, or data analyst, this method will boost your productivity and make invoice management hassle-free. Watch till the end for a bonus tip on how to automate recurring invoice processing. Help support the channel. Sign up for Lido using this link in description, https://www.lido.app